Hey everyone. Welcome back to Law in Motion, where we break down the law, simplify the complexities, and bring the facts to you. Today's video is going to be a little different but super interesting. We are diving into myths versus reality when it comes to the law. Let's bust some popular misconceptions wide open. Ready to get started? Let's go. It's one a lot of young people, and even some parents, believe, if you're under 18, you're off the hook, right? Can't get in serious trouble? Well, wrong. And believing this myth can land you in very serious trouble. The reality is, and trust me, this one's a hard pill to swallow, India's Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act allows minors to be prosecuted for heinous crimes. Now, we're not talking about stealing candy or getting into a schoolyard fight here. I'm talking about murder, sexual offenses, and other major crimes. If you're between the ages of 16 and 18 and commit a serious offense, the law might just wave that juvenile label goodbye and say, welcome to the adulthood. Age 16 to 18, for heinous offenses, minors can be tried as adults. Heinous offenses, defined as crimes with a minimum of 7 years of imprisonment, including murder, rape, and serious assaults. The process: a juvenile justice board first assesses the minor's mental and physical capacity before deciding whether to transfer the case to an adult court. Now, I know what you are thinking. But I'm just a baby. They can't really treat me like an adult, can they? Well, think again. The Juvenile Justice Board checks whether a minor was mature enough to understand the crime they committed. And if they think you knew what you were doing, it's adult court for you, my friend. This is no playground. And here's the kicker: getting tried as an adult means you face the same punishments that adults do. You are not going to get off with a slap on the wrist, a timeout, or community service. Nope, we're talking potential life imprisonment or worse. Now, don't get me wrong, India's legal system does focus on rehabilitating minors, and in most cases, it prioritizes reform over punishment. But when it comes to heinous crimes, the law is a whole different beast. So, if you were thinking about pulling off a heist just because you're 17, let me save you the trouble. Netflix shows aren't real life. Don't play with fire unless you're ready to feel the heat. So, spread the word. Let your friends, your cousins, and that kid down the street know, being young doesn't mean you're invincible under the law. The law is watching, and it's serious. And remember, don't believe everything you hear, especially legal myths like this. If you learned something today, or if you just realized it's time to stay on the straight and narrow, hit that like button and subscribe to Law in Motion for more myth-busting legal knowledge. Catch you in the next one.